Hi dear friends, we are finally glad to present to you our new builder.
This is the world's first Flutter-based builder.
We have been working on it for a long time and are very happy with how it turned out. We are pleased to present it to you. Our tutorial will be in two parts. In the first part, I'll quickly go through our builder's main features and we can soon put together the Wallpapers app. In the second part, we will put together a ringtone application inside the first wallpaper application. This hands-on approach will help you quickly understand the functionality of the builder. So, we are among our projects. Let's create a new project and name it Cool App. This is the main builder interface.
We paid great attention to the ergonomics and tried to reduce the depth of clicks as much as possible. This dramatically simplifies creating apps because you are working on the same page all the time.
On the left side of the builder, there are basic or global settings. Here is the component section, which contains all application activities. Style, a section where you can set the general color theme and appearance of the application. Basic settings, application name, version, package name, icon, pro features, custom package name, and customize text on About dialog. You can write any useful information here and it will appear in the About window of your application.
Monetize is a section in which you configure the monetization of your application.
Interstitial ad settings, splash screen settings, add mob ads, Facebook ads. Please note that you can now use native ads in Andromo. Services. You can connect here Firebase Analytics, OneSignal, and other services that we will add. Build. The section that contains the Build Your App button, by clicking which you will receive your application by mail, as well as in the form of a link where you can download it. So, on the left side you can make global settings for your application, like app color themes. We have made 7 preset color solutions that harmoniously combine. 4 of them are in a light theme and 3 in a dark one. You can also customize each activity separately.
There are also quick access buttons which essentially duplicate some buttons in the sections on the builder's left side but are right at your fingertips to make using the builder even more ergonomic.
To quickly understand the logic of this builder, you need to understand that your application has 4 levels of settings. Navigation drawer appearance, app bar appearance. As you can see, it is color separated, but you can also make it one with the dashboard, and I will show you how. Dashboard appearance, which is essentially the home screen of your application, and activity appearance, the inside view of each activity. Let's try to customize our dashboard. As you can see, we can change the color of our app bar. If we make it transparent, then our entire home screen will be in one color. Now, let's add the component to our application. You also need to understand that any activity will always be attached to one of 2 groups, carousel group or list group. I'll show you both. But let's start with a carousel group. Now, all the activities that you add below will be automatically attached to the carousel group, and accordingly they will behave in slider mode. Let's add a photo gallery activity. Here is our photo gallery activity. It belongs to the carousel group and will behave accordingly, like in a slider mode. Let's change the background of our dashboard now. To do this, go to its Style Settings, Activity Appearance, Use Background Image. Now we go directly to our photo gallery. Dashboard Appearance, choose Custom Card Styling. You can see that the card is square. If we change its radius to 20, then its corners will become rounded. The card title background color is now white. Let's make it transparent. Let's make a small indent to the left and to the right. Now duplicate our photo gallery. Now you can see that 3 of our photo galleries obey the carousel group and behave like a slider. Let's name our carousel group. Now we go to the content settings and check the box Show Group Title on Dashboard. As you can see, the name appeared on the dashboard, but it is not of the right size and color. We go to the Style settings for the carousel group, Section Title Appearance, and first we will change the color of our title to white. Second, we will make the font a little smaller, and third, we will add a little indentation at the bottom so that the group name does not merge with the activities themselves. Let's also move our whole group a bit. Let's say if we select the value 20 here, then we can see that the group goes down.
Therefore, for it to rise in the opposite direction, we need to set a negative value for spacing.
For example, -40 or even -50. We raise the group even higher so it looks great. Let's save and carry on. Now, let's style our galleries. Go to the first photo gallery. Let's call it something. For example, technology, because let's say we want to post technology content here. Let's go to the dashboard's appearance and select a background image for our activity. Now we need to change the color of our tile. Let's go to the next gallery. Let's call it Art. Let's go to Style, Dashboard Appearance. Also make the title color white. And choose the background image. And we do the same procedure with a third photo gallery. Excellent, our carousel is ready. Now we can fill it with content. All work with your activities content also occurs on the left side of the screen. Select Browse Images and select the images we need.
As you can see, you can make a bulk upload of content.
Now we can perform group actions with content. We can do Select All, Deselect All. We can click on the picture and find out information about it, like size, format, and also give it a name inside the application. We can also select, for example, 2 pictures and then move them down. We can move them up again. If we go to the settings of this activity, Content Settings, we will see that the pictures are arranged in 2 columns. We can change this parameter 3 columns. We can also supply 4 columns. We can supply 1 column. Let's fill out our next photo gallery with content. You can see the number 4 here, which means that there are 4 pictures inside this activity. So our carousel is ready. We named it Categories.
We can roll it up for convenience. When we expand it, we understand what activities are included in this group.
Now let's add a native ad under our carousel group. A native ad is in fact also an activity, and since we don't want to move it, it needs to be attached to the list group.